Hello there, how's everybody doing? It is August 17th, 2024, Saturday. It's raining, otherwise it would have been a motorcycle ride, and it would have been maybe a little bit later some lawn care stuff around the house. Instead, it's raining. So what's going on today? I am thinking of doing an oil change on my Harley, and a little bit different than my hardtail, which has a dry primary where I just do the transmission and engine oil. On the Harley, I have 3 different oils